Hey there, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ridoy from Shumon Bro English, and once again, welcome back to my channel. And in today's lesson, I'm gonna talk about how to speak fluent in English with more confidence. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into this lesson. Actually, without having more experience, you never be able to do anything confidently. It's just because lacking of experience always make you feel bad for become confident with anything about not only the language, not only the speaking English, but also anything about that you wanna achieve, that you want to do confidently. The experience can make you more confident with anything about. So now you can tell me that what's happened to me. I know the words, I can understand what the people say in English. But when I'm gonna speak, then I get stuck. I feel that I'm not that much confident. I'm something like that. So it's just happened to you because of you are not that much experienced with English language. There is a proverb that the more experience you have, the more confident you become. Only the experience can make you confident with anything about. So in order to speak in English fluent with more confidence, you must have to more experience about the English. Let me tell you a little story about myself. This happened to me very recently because of my inexperience. Actually, I'm not used to driving the bike in the downtown, and especially in the city. You know, the city road is almost every road has the one-way roads. You don't have to any chance. You don't have any chance to turn without the certain area or certain turning, or you have to follow the traffic rules always. So the story is not that for my vacation purpose, I want to visit my family. But after finishing my vacation, then the last day of my vacation, when the joining date in my job place, then it has been raining in that day all day long. It's a heavy raining. So because of raining, I couldn't grab any bus or make my journey to reach my job place. So I'm in trouble totally. I feel devastated. This I feel devastating. This I feel devastating. This, oh my God, how I made it. Now I how could I? How can I reach in time in my job place? So I made a plan that yes, I took a risk. Okay, I can made my journey with my motorbike, and then I almost have done it. But when I was almost in my job place, then you know the situation of Dhaka City. Dhaka City always having the immensely traffic jams in the rainy season. In the rainy day, the traffic jam situation goes just terrible. I experienced a terrible situation in that day. So the incidents that happened to me, it was just like I'm in the traffic jam, but unfortunately, a car very hardly strike the behind wheel of my bike. I almost goes down from my bike with my bike, but unfortunately, luckily, I saved myself with my left leg. If I laid down in the roads, then maybe one of the car was passing through. Maybe his speed was more than 80 plus. Maybe I might be get died or something like that. Might be something very worst incident, something very worst things happened to me. But luckily, merciful Allah saved me from this road accident. So why I tell you, why I share the story with you. Actually, I'm not. I told you before that I'm not that much experienced to riding bike in the downtown in the city. So because of my inexperience, these incidents happened to me. And the same things happen to you because you are also not that much experienced in English language. You can compare with my inexperience with riding bike with your inexperience with English. So it's almost similar. The two incidents between you and me, it's happened to us just because of our least experience. So in order to speak in English fluently, the first thing, you must have to achieve more experience in English language. It is the solution for you. There is no alternative. There is no alternative or any other solution for overcome from this problem. I'm not telling you that I am that much experienced and I'm that much fluent in English language. I'm also a learner, but I want to try to help you to learn with me. What kind of thing I learn every day, I just share you with the experience, and it is my practice video. But I made it for my YouTube channel. I just filming this video for my YouTube channel and Facebook page for make you inspired, for make you motivated every day. Because some of the students I find recently that they just starting their speaking English journey, but when they feel that they are not as much fluent as their expectation, and they just think about quitting, and most of the students already quit their learning English journey. My recommendation is for this kind of students that just continue practice. The fluency is a thing is never come to you within a year, a month or 3 months, 6 months. It took more time. You just imagine you should have to think about this thing. Think about it is a language. It is a language. It is not your mother tongue. It is the another language. You want to learn this English language as a second language. So for become fluent in English, for having that much fluency in English, you must have to keep patience, believe in yourself, and become a very diligent person. Perseverance, all the things help you to make fluent in English. And that's all about in my video today. If you consider that this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and definitely we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Have a nice day.